My name's Elise, and today we're going to be drawing school supplies. Let's get started. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, first let's draw the notebook. Draw a straight line going across. Draw a line down, and then a line across again, just like this. Now, we're going to just draw another line. So now we have a rectangle. Let's draw a bunch of small circles on this edge of our rectangle, just like that. Now, we're going to start in this circle, and we're going to go down. We're going to start in this one, we're going to go down. We're going to keep going just like this, just like that. And now we're just going to connect each of these lines down that are inside of the circles. Just like that. Now, write the word notebook on your notebook. Now, we're going to add the rest of the paper in the notebook. So draw a couple lines going towards this section of the notebook, but very short. And we're going to have those connect. So one's going down to connect just like that. And then the other one is going to connect in over here. Now we'll draw some lines for the papers inside this section, just like that. Now let's draw a pencil. So down here, we're actually going to draw a ruler. So draw a long oval, just like this, and just draw some lines just like this. And then on the other side, draw lines that look like this, just like that. And now we're going to draw the pencil. So draw a thinner oval, just like this, and then end in a point. Draw a squiggly line just like this, and then at the top, just color it in. Now, add a couple of lines at the bottom with a little bit left to go. You can write the word pencil if you want, just like that. Now, we're also going to draw a crayon. So make a little bit wider oval, just like this, and make a point at the end again. Draw a line over and a line at the bottom. You can write the word crayon if you want. Let's draw one more crayon coming out of this side, like going right through that crayon. And now you can try to write the word crayon, just like that. Now it's time to color. I have all my colors right here. So we have 30, 82, 72, 33, 83, 62, 63, 49, 7, and 50. And now we can start coloring. So now we're done with our school supplies drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed creating more. See you next time. Bye!